Right, grade 4, you will see a rhyme on the board here, and I want to discuss the following two characteristics of a poem or a rhyme with you. It is rhyming words and the rhythm of a poem or a rhyme. Now, if you have a look at activity 121, you will find these two words and a little bit of a discussion there. So the rhyming words, we already know that the rhyming words is words that sounds the same. So I'm going to read through the poem and I want you to listen carefully and listen to if you hear the rhyming words in this poem. And then we're going to discuss the rhyming words. And also we are going to discuss the rhyming pattern that we can see in this poem. Right. Kitty caught a caterpillar. Kitty caught a snail. Kitty caught a turtle. Kitty caught a tail. Kitty caught a centipede with a sticky bit of thread. She tried to catch a bumblebee. The bee caught her instead. I'm sure that you already recognize the rhyming words because we already did that last term, in the previous term. So if we have a look, is there anything that rhymes with caterpillar? No. No word in the first verse that rhymes with caterpillar. Is there any word that rhymes with snail? Yes. Tail rhymes with snail. Anything that rhymes with turtle? No, nothing. Anything that rhymes with centipede? Nothing. Anything that rhymes with thread? Instead. I know that you know these rhyming words. And there's nothing that rhymes with bumblebee. So, if we can write down the rhyming scheme of this little rhyme, we can start with an A. We use the ABC to write the rhyming scheme. So, caterpillar will be A because there's nothing that rhymes with caterpillar. We can't use A again. So snail and tail are rhyming words. So we use the next letter of the alphabet and that will be a B. And since they are rhyming, we use the B for tail as well. There's nothing that rhymes with turtle, so we use the next letter of the alphabet like C. So the rhyming scheme will be A, B, C, B. Let's see if that rhyming scheme continues in the next lines. Centipede, anything? No, we say there were nothing, so it's an A again. We start with an A again. Thread and instead are rhyming words, so it's a B and a B. And bumblebee, nothing that rhymes with bumblebee, so bumblebee will be C. And again, the rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B. It's the same as the first one. So that is rhyming words, and that is just a little something to tell you about. We're going to do the rhyming scheme in grade 5. Right, now what is the rhythm? Normally, the rhyming words in a poem or a rhyme gives you a little the rhythm of the poem, and the rhythm is nearly like a song. If you sing a song, there's some rhythm in the song. I'm going to read this rhyme again, and then I want you to listen if you can hear any rhythm in this rhyme. I'm going to snap the rhyme so you can hear if there is any rhythm in this rhyme. All right, I'm going to start. Kitty. Let's start again. Kitty caught a caterpillar. Kitty caught a snail. Kitty caught a turtle. Kitty caught a tail. Kitty caught a centipede with a sticky bit of thread. She tried to catch a bumblebee. The bee caught her instead. Could you hear the rhyme, the rhythm of this poem? Yes, it's nice to say a poem with a nice rhythm. Right, now I want you to go back to activity 127. There you will find a poem on the Olympics race. and you read through that poem, see if you can see the rhyming words as well, if you can hear the rhythm. You complete activity 121 on that rhyme of the Olympic race. Go to activity 135. There are some sentences that you have to write with rhyming words. So go and see what that activity is about. And then for the last thing, I forgot in the spelling video to tell you to go to activity 138. There are some spelling words in activity 138 that I want you to write down in your spelling books or in the back of your writing books if you don't have your spelling book with you. Right, grade 4, that is your rhyme and your rhythm and your rhyming words.